to my channel, guys.
Welcome back to my channel, Jada Vlog Life. So in today's video I will be doing my haul, so my equipment haul slash makeup haul. So guys, I am so excited to share with you guys that I have on my haul today my, drum roll please, dun, 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 my ring light, guys. Yes guys, so after a very long wait I have finally received my ring filled light. Yes guys, I'm so excited. So guys, this is a haul slash unboxing. So guys, I'll go ahead, and it also came with the tripod, guys, and I will be unboxing it as well. So guys, here we go, the moment of truth. Oops, something fell, guys. Yes guys, so first on the unboxing slash haul is the ring light, and I am here for it. Ring light, guys. So guys, trying to figure out, I guess it has a little thing here that you could change the tone of the light. So you know, definitely I am going to try this out. So I didn't think it didn't came with something. Didn't come with a plug, guys, so I guess I'll have to just plug it into my thing, and as I plugged it in, something on it lit up. Let us see guys. This part actually lit up. I should take out the tripod. Let us take out the tripod, guys. Yes guys, I'm so excited. So you know guys, makeup is going to be litty. Together. I guess we screw this part here. Screw it up like that. And then we screw on this part here. It's unboxing slash mounting this ring light, guys. Screw this part first. Okay, don't need to go. So yes guys, so then we'll screw this part here onto it. So yes guys, it could rotate right around, as you can see, but I guess I have to tighten this part right here for it to stay. Okay guys, okay, let's unplug this part so we could the foot or the stand. Guys, I am super duper. Why is this running around like that? has to be tightened more, guys. Okay. So it's around here, and I guess voila, guys, it opens up, and then guys, so I'm going to put it on the ground to get the full length of it. It goes straight up, guys. So there we got the full length of the foot, and I think it is 15 inches, guys. Let us see how long it could extend. So in the meantime, let us just this light and this heat. So we are going to turn it on. There we go, guys, my ring light. Guys, I actually cannot wait to what do I do? To change the tones of it, guys, as you can see. Yay! Want a warmer tone or a brighter one? Yes, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, guys, so yeah, that's first on the haul. Okay, guys, so that's about it for this light, and again, you could loosen this part, this part here, and rotate it as you wish to. So yes, guys, I am super excited for this. Okay, nice. Okay, so we could extend it as well. I think here is an extension. So guys, we will go ahead now and screw in this part. This is the part that you attach your phone to, guys. So yeah, I am super duper excited because I really waited a very long time, very long wait for this ring light, guys. And here it is. It is here. Yes, guys. So excited. So excited. Yes, guys. And it's really hot. This ring light leaves you very, very hot. But guys, yes, guys, I'm so excited. Let's see what's next on the list. So we will go ahead and turn this off. Yes, guys, so that was it for the ring light. Next on the list is my brush. Shout out to my friend Marcia and Rianne for getting this makeup brush set. So it's a brush set we ordered from Amazon, and it is a 16-piece brush set, guys. So I can't wait to get my makeup done with this. Yes, guys, 16 pieces of lovely lovely makeup brushes. Next on the list, guys, we have our surprise. Yes, guys, our makeup brush cleaner, guys, and I will also be unboxing it with you guys because I am so excited. Yes. So it is it came with this thingy here, guys, which is, I guess, is the handle for the brush itself. I also have batteries to see how this works. So you take this out. I have batteries that use two AAA batteries. Guys, they say AAA and I have AA batteries. Are you kidding me, guys? It would not work. It's AAA, it's not AA. Oh my gosh. So guys, I have the wrong set of batteries. Can you believe it, guys? Wrong set of batteries. So can't work. So guys, as I said, I am super excited. Your girl even went to get water, you know. So these are the handles. Let's do it like this. These are the handles, and yes guys, today I'm wearing no makeup. I guess these are some rubber thingy. I can't get them out for the handle of the brush, so I'll just demonstrate quickly for you guys with the new sets of brushes. Yes, no, that's one too. So guys, I guess you so guys, this is the finish look of the makeup brush cleaner, guys. As you can see, the ring light is in here. So guys, I can't wait to use it. I actually have to get batteries, guys, for it because the batteries are not working. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.